Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, today wanting to share with you this latest arrival in the form of this gorgeous looking Volkswagen Arteon Fastback. This particular example is the range-topping R-Line model, finished here in Pyrite silver metallic colour. As a Motor Match approved vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This stylish executive fastback even features a panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option too. Round the side you will find these large 19-inch Montevideo diamond-turned alloy wheels with prominent R-Line badging. That panoramic sunroof is ideal for the summer months ahead of us, and also the fastback style is definitely guaranteed to turn heads. From the B-pillar backwards, there's also privacy glass available for your passengers in the back, and those passengers themselves can enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom, with the upholstery finish in R-Line fine Nappa leather. As you move over towards the back, the stylish look continues with full LED tail lights with sweeping indicators too and large twin exhaust pipes. Because it's a fastback, the boot space features a hatchback opening, giving you plenty of space too. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will offer a leather-wrapped sports multifunction steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit for the driver. Driver's seat will also be electrically adjustable for added comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Arteon. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once you find yourself in the driver's seat of this Arteon, this cabin absolutely oozes luxury. Large air vents in the front and analog clock will add to the premium feel, whilst the driver control panels are logically laid out and easy to reach. The multifunction steering wheel features paddle shifts and can control the trip computer, as well as the adaptive cruise control. The car even benefits from a dynamic road sign recognition camera and a number of safety systems such as lane departure warning and city emergency braking. Satellite navigation mapping can be displayed directly ahead of you, which is great to have in your peripheral vision, and you can make the dials larger or smaller depending on the widescreen view you prefer. Also, radio stations, music and Bluetooth contacts can all be displayed directly ahead of you, which is an absolute joy to use as you can control it from the fingertips. In the center, the 8-inch Discover navigation system will feature shortcuts on either side for ease of use. AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception with additional media source functionality will be on offer. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and the sat-nav can also be displayed on the center screen. For added peace of mind, the car features live traffic updates to ensure you never get stuck in nasty traffic jams, or you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces. Driver mode selector will allow you to prioritize economy or a more sporty spirited drive, and to help you park, audible and visual front and rear parking sensors will always provide that extra reassurance. Various car settings will also be on offer and will allow you to optimize and personalize the feel of this Arteon to make it your own. Easy to use 3-zone climate control system can be operated via the screen, or if you prefer, the physical rotary dials. They are further complemented by winter pack heated front seats with a 3-state setting for the driver and the front passenger. Deep cup holders and a deep center armrest will feature additional USB connectivity, which is ideal for keeping your devices topped up, and a manual sound bike can be retracted. Tilt function or a full sliding opener offers will be also available to you. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Arteon Fastback R-Line that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.